Hey guys, doing the 2 minute strategy for everybody that keeps asking me about the 2 minute strategy. Um, I've dropped the 26 simple moving average for the simple fact is that I use the MACD as my confirmation, and the confirmation is that the MACD has crossed. So now I'm just waiting for the trigger line to cross the yellow line. The number one thing is patience. And the number two thing is that you wait for the cross, the proper cross. So as you can see there, it's crossed, but we've actually missed it. So it's the candle's already started. So I've missed it. So I'm going to hope that the next candle will be a better one for an entry anyway, because it's not fully crossed. So I'll just come back at the end of this candle. Alright guys, we've got 14 seconds left. Not really even sure if this is going to be a good one to get in. We've got to see that blue line on the other side of the yellow line at the start of the next candle. And we've got it, so we're in. Okay, so we'll just see how we go. I often sometimes do another trade if it pulls back a bit, but for the sake of the rest of yous at the moment, I'm not going to do any of that. We'll just do one trade per signal. And I'll just sit here and be quiet and let you watch it for, what's it got left? A minute and a bit. Alright, see what happens. Okay, that's the 2 minute strategy. It's all about patience and following the rules, alright? So hopefully you've all seen that. You wait for this as your confirmation. This is just standard. You see the settings there. That has to cross first. You follow the direction that the trigger line down here follows. You wait for the start of the candle. You don't do it in the middle of candles. You must see the smaller moving average on the other side of the larger moving average, and you start it at the start of that candle and you get the result. And I've been getting very high results doing this. Admittedly, I don't use it as much as I used to because I mainly trade Forex now, but for you guys who want to use this just to make a little bit of money, if you be patient and you stick to the rules and you do what I've just done there, you're going to win at least 8 out of every 10 trades. I suggest you don't overtrade this. You trade in the London session, not any other session. You trade pairs that move. The best that I can suggest is try yen pairs and pound pairs, I guess. And set yourself your own rules about how many trades you will do a day, whether it's 4, 3, whatever it is. And set yourself a rule of, if I lose 2 trades in a row, I stop trading. Or if I lose whatever it is. 6 trades in a row, you stop trading, whatever it is that you feel comfortable with, okay? My rule is with this, I do 5 trades a day. If I lose 2 in a row, I stop trading. Okay, if I win 3 in a row, I stop trading. Okay, I hope this has helped. Take it easy.